So here is a quick tutorial on how to set up your Google with your students' Gmail. And it's the at yst7.org. That's what you're going to be using for this. So say I'm in Bing, I'm going to type the search bar Google. You're going to want to be in Google for this. If you're not automatically in that already, some of you guys might already be. Your screen will look like this. On the sidebar over here, you'll see this sign in. This is where it will have your accounts. So if you need to, this is where you're going to sign in the email that was given to you. So the last name dot their first name, it has 5 numbers after it, and then dot or at yst7.org. So, and then you are going to type in your password. Their password is going to be 1234. And then you're going to hit next. When you are on this, it'll take you back to this page. You are going to open up this thing right here called the waffle. And anytime you refer to that, that's what this little thing is in the right-hand corner. In that, you'll see all of your Google apps. You'll see lots of different ones in there. The main ones that you're going to need to know, especially for tomorrow, are your Gmail and your Classroom. So if you go to Classroom, you might find a classroom in there that is ready for you to join. You should find your teacher's classroom. As you can see, I have many classrooms, and there will be a little blue button that says join. So when you see that, you're going to click join. It'll ask if you want to be a student or a teacher. You want to be a student, so you're going to click student, and then you are going to be entered into that classroom. When you open that classroom, all you need to do is click on it. So this is my kindergarten classroom. As you can see, it has a, up here at the top, this code right here is the Meet link. This is how you are always going to get in the Google Meets. So if your teacher is live teaching, they are going to use this link at the top. So if you ever can't find the link, that'll automatically take you right into the Google Meet on the computer. If you go here to class work, this is where you're going to find your assignments. So as you can see, there's an assignment here for my students, and they are going to get to view this video. And as you can see, some kids have already turned it in. That's awesome. Okay, so that is, a quick tutorial on how to enter your classroom. If you look here, if you ever need to go back to this, if you ever need to go back to the main page, you can click this. You can just click my title up here. This will have upcoming things. If there's work due, it'll be right here. And then back to the waffle. And this is where you can also find let me move myself. You can find your Gmail. So this is where you can find your Gmail. This is where emails are going to be sent. You will also see things to join this classrooms. If you don't see it in there, if you don't see an email, you can email your teacher in here by clicking compose. That's how you make an email. And then it'll pop up and you'll just type in our last name, like my last name's Rayfield. You'll click on it and you can send something to me. Or you can always use the Remind app to access your teachers. Okay, guys, I hope that helps. All right, take care.